Hey guys, Taylor here with another video, and if the world has taught us anything, it's to be prepared for any situation because you never know what could be around the next corner. Well, one of the best ways to be prepared is to have emergency food at the ready, just in case some essential services are unavailable. Now you might not realize this, but there are services available that actually provide you with survival food kits to make sure that you and your family never go hungry during an emergency situation. Now, each of these services vary in terms of price and features that they offer. But don't worry, we've done a ton of research to see which might be best for you in your particular situation, and today we're going to be breaking down some of the benefits and features of each. Now, if you are interested in any of these survival food kits, I'll place the link to them down in the description below so you can check them out there. If I also find any deals or discounts for any of these, I'll put those down there for you as well. First up, we have Legacy Food Storage. Now, Legacy Food Storage provides non-GMO pastas, soups, sides, and desserts. They provide dehydrated meals with a shelf life of 25 years. All meals are also ready to eat in just 15 minutes. All emergency food kits here come in heavy-duty plastic cartons that can be stored in a garage, basement, or even a shelter for up to 25 years. So this is a great option for all of you preppers out there that want to make sure that your food supply is there to last. All you have to do for any of these meals is to add boiling water and wait 15 minutes to eat. In that short amount of time, you'll have delicious food from stroganoff to enchiladas to soups, stews, and even pancake mixes. This is definitely a great survival option that your entire family will enjoy. Next up, we have My Patriot Supply. Now, this option provides hearty meals stored in 4-layer pouches. Meals provide up to 2,000 calories a day, and you just simply have to add boiling water to enjoy within 10 to 15 minutes. My Patriot Supply is definitely well known in the industry for providing emergency relief such as food kits, water filtration supplies, and survival gear. In terms of their meal plans, there's about 20 options to choose from, and the kits include things like pastas, soups, puddings, and even freeze-dried fruits. They do come in a great heavy-duty, water-resistant bucket that can be stored for up to 25 years. Next up, we have Valley Food Storage. Now, this option is natural, non-GMO-based emergency food kits. There are vegan and gluten-free options, and there's also kid-friendly options. So as I mentioned, all of these meals are free of GMOs, artificial ingredients, and preservatives, which is really rare to find in emergency food kits. You have lots of selections on offer here, including things like pasta primavera, tomato soups, white bean chili, and you also have some great kid-friendly options. They even include things like mac and cheese. There's also lots of freeze-dried options that will last a long time. In fact, all of their food kits do have a shelf life of up to 25 years, and they come in a durable, easy-to-store plastic container. Next up, we have Wise Company. Now, this is an American-made emergency food kit service. They do have organic and gluten-free options, and they provide Metalite packaging for maximum longevity. This is a great option for camping enthusiasts and survivalists. They have a large supply of hearty, dehydrated, and freeze-dried foods. Their menu includes things like lasagnas, pasta alfredos, soups, meats, and even breakfast that can be cooked with water and eaten within minutes. The big standout here is all of their meal kits are wrapped in ExxonMobil created Metalite packaging, and this is to ensure that all the food lasts a very, very long time. Last on the list, we have Kettle and Fire. Now, all of their meals here are organic and they have responsibly sourced ingredients. There's also gluten-free, paleo, and keto-friendly options, and they have an extremely flavorful selection with beef and chicken bone broths. Now, without a doubt, Kettle and Fire provides the most nutritious-conscious survival meal kits out there. Everything is totally organic, so there's no antibiotics or hormones used, and they have 100% grass-fed and grass-finished and humanely raised cattle and chicken bones. There's no additives, no preservatives, GMOs, MSG, or artificial flavor. Everything is 100% natural. There's a ton of variety and meal flavors on offer here. You've got things like broccoli and cheddar, mushroom bisque, and lemongrass ginger pho. All of the soups that they have are made with an excellent bone broth that's made by slowly simmering grass-fed beef bones and organic chicken bones for 24 hours. They also have free shipping on almost all of their orders and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you love organic soups, then definitely check out Kettle and Fire for all of your survival needs. Anyway, guys, that's a look at some of the best survival food kits out there. With the state of the world, you never know what could happen, and hopefully this video helps you prepare a little bit more. If it did, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you do have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop those below, as I love getting to answer as many of those as possible. As I mentioned, I will provide links to each of these services in the description below, so you can check them out a little further. And if I do have any deals or discount codes, I will throw those down there for you guys as well. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching today. Stay safe out there, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.